just struggling to get past the advantage line. Now Wilson injecting himself into things. Vaenga struggling to control it, gets it back to Manasa and Bari, and they probably won't stop it from there. No, they won't.
Wonderful try by the Highlanders. They're back in the match and the crowd is showing their support.
Now he's got pace. They won't catch him. He is gone. Manasa and Bari makes it a double, and what a way for the Highlanders to finish the first half. That rain will not dampen the enthusiasm of the home fans.
I tell you what, Steve, that guy is huge. He's having a huge game out here. You can see the beautiful smile at the end of it. He knew he was going in for the 5-pointer.